Are you a Chromebook user but want to join in the fun playing your favorite Windows PC games? You can play a majority of Windows games either through Steam on Chrome OS or Play Store. Let's learn how to play Roblox on a Chromebook. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Let's get started. For this method, you will require the Play Store support. So first of all, open the settings page of your Chromebook by clicking on the cogwheel icon under the quick settings menu. Next, click on apps on the left pane and enable Google Play Store if Play Store is not already switched on. After that, search for Roblox in the Play Store and install it right away on your Chromebook. Now, just open the game from the app drawer and Roblox will work like a charm. You can also press the search key on the keyboard and search for Roblox to open it. The best part is that it supports WASD key controls and an external mouse as well. You can now play the best Roblox games with your friends. Now, if you have a school-issued Chromebook, there is a way to play Roblox. That is by going on now.gg, which is a mobile cloud gaming platform. It allows you to play any mobile game on your Chromebook, Mac or PC without having to download anything. You don't need to sign up for this or pay for anything. It just works and performs fairly well in the browser. There are more such stories in our dedicated gaming section, so be sure to follow them as well. Thank you for watching.